Welcome to my channel AutoCAD Tips and Tricks. As you know, we are working on our beach villa. We completed the main building, kitchen area and staff building. We are working on our landscape area. So yesterday we completed some landscape, and now today also our tutorial will be to complete our whole landscape area. Okay. So we have here a curbstone, but here this is a curbstone we can use, but some size are different than that, so I need to create it. It's very easy. Just click on the arc and click on it here, then drag it to move. Okay, then here also same, click on it, then click here and drag it to move. Leave it. Okay, this line is done, and take the line option here to here. Okay, this is done, and here also you can close it this, and it will become you can extrude this part. Okay, so I will extrude this part around 20 centimeter, 0.2. okay, or no, 15 is enough. Let me extrude is 15 centimeter, same as this. Okay, and let me make this a group to be not attached with the other lines, so I make it a group, so not it will not confused. So let's continue up to here. Okay, then make a line, line to line, it will be better. This line to this line, then this line. Okay, and line to line, close it. Make it a line here to here, it's closed. If little bit miss, otherwise it will not work. Remember that. So let me make this also group. Make a group. So this part I can use here also. Make a copy, just click on it. You can use this part here like this. Okay, and copy this part also. We can make vertical, and we can use this as shorter area. Okay, and let me orbit the area. Just stretch it by this, double click on it and stretch this part, no problem. What I show you before, just make it a rectangle on it, anywhere, on the wall, anywhere on the wall, like this. Okay, select it, move the object, click on it, select it, drop down, then move here little bit and take this point to the downside, to this point. Okay, now just explode it. When you explode, this will be and you can make it the slice also. So slice will be like, it will help you to be create as 1 minute. Okay, just select the object, move down, select both and explode it. 1 minute. Select this one also with the help of select it and shift to select it, then explode both. Now you can see we have explode. Okay, it's done now. Now I'm going to select the object, make it select the object and select this object and deselect this object. Then make it go to interface with model. That's it. Okay, you can delete this object. Delete here, delete here, delete here. You have to delete the lines, additional lines, this one, which one we don't need it. Okay, and you can delete this object also. Okay. So double click and it already exploded, so I will extend this to the end. Okay, this is done. Okay, do not make confused, no, sorry, let me create this as a group, otherwise it will be a problem to us. Or you can make a copy by moving, because this is not correct one, so I will delete this object. I don't need it. And now I make it a group. Make a group. Shift deselect some object added here, so I shift deselect and make it a group. Okay, now double click it and extrude to the endpoint. Okay, this is done now. I will copy the object. Sorry. Select it, press Ctrl, copy on the green axis. Okay, remember this. Then rotate, then make a rectangle here, no problem. Or you can, sorry, click on rectangle, make it from here to here and extrude it to this. Okay, this is done. Now I just make it arc. I show you a very simple idea, right? Just click it and drag it, drop and make it. Click it, drop it. Then line to the line. Okay, then line to the line. Don't worry, if not work, no problem. Just make it, press Ctrl, click on move, press Ctrl like this on the axis. It should be on the axis, must be. Okay, this is we done it. Then delete this. This is the problem creating to us. So delete it. Now just make the line here and here. Done. Now you can extrude the part 0.15. Okay, and make it a group. And now here what you have, you make it before, delete it. We don't need this part. Delete it. No, this is not group, so I need to group together. So we selected now. So I just move this object. We can make by follow line, but you have to create one single line, then you have to be guided follow. The option, like for example, the follow option I already show in the before tutorial. Make one rectangle. Okay, this is follow me option. Make one vertical rectangle and click the polyline and select the object and go here, follow me option. It will follow your line. The object that you extrude, it will follow your line. I already shown in my previous tutorials. you can see this is the only in the this series I shown the tutorials. Okay, now what we have here, this side is completed, and just we need to create here. So I will create a rectangle like this, done, and like this, it's perfect. No, like this, done. Okay, now let me later on we will extrude. Yeah, no, we need to extrude now. 0.15, it's done. Now 0.15, it's done. Okay, let me just rotate the orbit to get the points here. We have the angle I will create here to here and move it, then here to here I will move it. Now it's done because we already have lines, because we not make group, that's why it's automatic theme. So I will select the objects. This one is not group also. Okay, so I will select this objects, I will make it a group. Okay, and I think this object now group, this is the group. Okay, this is not a group, so I will select the object, I'll make it a group. This is done. Now I need to create one group, this all. So I will click on shift selection, it will create one group. So it will, if I select this object one, it will create all the materials applied. So this is the one I need to remove it, and this one you cannot, just this one you can remove, I think. Yeah, let me check, let me double click it, or you can explode it. Okay, you can explode it, I will show you. It's now explode, right? Now explode it again. Okay, it's explode, 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 explode. Okay, explode. Okay, now you can see I will remove the lines. Okay, this is the different object, so I will explode this also. No, let me select, delete. No, we cannot delete these lines, you have to continue as this. Okay, what about this is the problem here, we have the curve issue. So we complete our curve stone. Now this part we have, so I will take this part. Yeah, I will take that part and click on and copy. Then what I do, I will double click on it, I will drag it. Oh, it's little bit crossed. No problem, I will show you that idea, right? Just go here, make it like that. This is the group, right? This should be a group, otherwise our lines it's mixed. Or we can rotate, no problem. It's came. So no issue, we already have this object, so just drag it here. Let's check this, it should be not crossed. See, this is the crossed. So how we can rotate this? This is the line, just select the object. Okay, take the rotate point and take this point, bottom point. Okay, should be a bottom point, but move it little bit, just a minute. Move it from this point to must be match this corner. otherwise we cannot rotate. Okay, so rotate above, should we have one straight line if we can make it? Yes. And now you can see, rotate, sorry, orbit like this. Just select the whole object without this line, shift to deselect. Okay, now rotate the object, click on the corner and click it here and rotate like this. Okay, just deselect and select this line, delete it. Now you can remove a part from this part to that part. Okay, yes. Now do one thing, just click on it and select this object with the shift, explode it. Oh sorry, explode it, and this object should be exploded. Okay, now select both this object and that object, deselect the main plan, go here, make it interface with the model. Now you can see our model is separated, our object is separated from this object. You can delete this. Okay, I hope you got, and delete this and the main line. Deleted and deleted and rotate. Now you can see it's completed. Now you can extrude this part here to that, and now you can make group. Now you can copy this object all the way to this parting. Okay. Okay, this is done already. Now you can select the object all. Okay, you can select here and copy, click it. Now our parking area is also done. What next we do? We make a main entrance, and this part is also remaining here. Now let me create this interlock here. It's little bit difficult, but we will create it. Okay, let me start from this angle. It should be extend up to the end. Why it's not? Let me check. Double click it, extrude to this part. No problem. Or we can delete this object. We can delete this object by making rectangle as we make it. All this I'm explaining because of you, otherwise we did not see this object in the okay, let me rotate. Should be the another angle we need. Okay, now you can rotate it. Let me go here, take the rotate like this. Rotate. Okay, this part will not see exactly. Okay, so I am going to be make from here to the end. Okay, this is the end. Okay, then drag it. Then this to this point, then drop it. Okay, this to this point, then drop it. Then this to this point, then drop it. This to this point, then drop it. Then this to this point, then drop it. Let me check gears. Or go down. No. I think we have to create half. Yeah, this is work. No problem, but we'll make it again. But we not make like this. We'll make half and half. Up to the center only, then like this. Then this. Then like this. Okay, then this. If you make like that, it's easy for us, otherwise it will not get the correct point. Okay, now rotate it, make a line from here, okay, then rotate. Okay, this is the object we make it. यास्मीन बोली कि भाई हमारे घर में एक औरत है, अच्छी नहीं है औरत वो, तो उनका जाए तो खूबसूरत है, ये है वो है, आपको जान दे वहाँ पे घर के पास औरत अच्छी नहीं है वो, ये वो। ये बोले तो मैं बोला अब तो मैं जाता हूँ ना। क्या करते, मैं जाता हूँ ताकि मॉडलिंग करता हूँ उसके सामने, यूं यूं चल के यूं करता हूँ बोला। क्या हंसरी कहते। कि अम्मा को बोल के क्या हंस रहे हैं, तो अम्मा आखिरी है, इम्तियाज आखिरी कॉमेडी है बोलिए। So we are continuing here. Let's make this line correctly and show you. Now you can see the magic what I am going to show you now. Okay, this is done now. Okay, our line is ready, but this one we don't need it. This is a double line scheme. Okay, zoom out. This one also we don't need it, and this also. Now what we do, we just take a line and make like this. And if it's not work, no problem. तो बहुत है यार ये, लेकिन करना तो पड़ेगा। As you can see, we make it our capstone area, or sorry, interlock area. Now what is the size? This one we just need 15 centimeters, so I will reduce this to 2.38 minus 15. How much it will be? It will be 14, I think. 28 minus 15, 13. Okay. So I will reduce this 0.13 or 1.3. How much? Sorry. 2.38 minus 0.15, 2.23, so I'll reduce 2.23, and this part also 2.23, okay, and this part should be deleted from above, and this is done. And let me check and rotate. It should be not hollow. The object is correct now, so I will create it and make it a group. Okay, so let me move this object from rotation, select this point from here to this. It's done. Now I need to select this and match it. This is, you can see, we complete our this side interlock, and this side will be what we can say, this side will be and one more thing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe before you go. Before you close my tutorial, please subscribe it. Subscribe कर दो यार. This button दबा दो बस काफी है. Thank you. Bye bye.